Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ad, and that is how to create messenger campaign. Whether it's Instagram or Facebook, we'll create an engagement campaign through which we can directly redirect the people to the messengers. So basically what will this campaign do? Like if we will run a lead generation campaign, and if we want people directly communicate us with through the messenger options like Instagram Messenger and Facebook Messenger, so we can do it with the help of this campaign. So in today's video I will let you know how to do it, how to create a campaign through which you will redirect the visitor directly to your messenger, and you can contact them and discuss their queries and convert them easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. So first of all, we just need to go to our Facebook ad dashboard, and here you just need to click on the create button. Once you click on it, as you know, we will get different options like awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and other ones as well. So here I will choose the engagement option because we want to redirect people directly to our Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger channel. So as you can see in the engagement option, we have the options of Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. So we can use this objective for our campaign. Just click on the continue button, and once I click on it, it will give us the manual engagement campaign option, and I will click on the continue button. And now we are at the campaign level, and here you just need to set the objective, like whether you want to use your budget at campaign level or ad set level. As I want to use my budget at campaign level, so I will choose this option because the campaign level will give us different options like strategies, campaign bidding strategies. We can use these kind of strategies, like if you want to get cost per result goal, you can set it from here, higher volume. So these kind of strategies will only be available in the campaign level. So I will always use budget at the campaign level. And after that, in the ad set level, you just need to choose like on which particular platform, whether Meta or Instagram, where you want to redirect your visitor. As I want to redirect them on both channels, so I will use automatic destination recommended, like whether Facebook think this lead will convert more accurately on Instagram, then it will take the lead to Instagram. If they are thinking that this lead will use the messenger channel and get the lead, then it will use messenger one as well. So this is how we will use the maximum number of conversation performance goal. Always use this one. Don't use maximum number of link clicks because it will ask algorithm to get maximum clicks, non conversion. That's why I always choose maximum number of conversions, because I need people who will directly contact us through the messenger channel. And after that, and same as it, you just need to choose your audience. As I want to run it on broad audience, I will choose the location like United States as my primary location, and that's it. And after that, you need to choose on which particular platform you want to show your ad, and I will as here always choose advantage plus placements, but I will choose manual placement as I only want to run ad on Facebook and Instagram channel. So this is the thing which we need to do right now in the placement section, where you want to place your ads. And after that, you just need to go to the new engagement ad level, where you just need to choose the video or image which you want to show to the visitor. As just want to click on the add selected video, and I will choose this one for now. And after that, you need to add the primary text. I will take it from the other ad, the primary text. Yeah, I will choose this one, add here. And then you need to add a headline. You can use any of it, as I will choose this headline for now. Okay, and that your error is gone, and now you can publish your campaign. As you can see, if I will go to the overview option, you can see in all the placements, you will get send message directly to our Instagram or Facebook channel. This option will be visible to the visitors. That is why we are creating a like messenger campaign basically. So this option, as you can send message, every ad will give the user an option to send message directly on the Instagram or Facebook channel. So this is how we create a Facebook Messenger campaign for Instagram and Facebook both, and I think now you are able to do it at your end as well. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. Bye bye. Thank you.